Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to start exercise 10.4. For the previous exercise, please check the description box, the link will be there. So here the first problem. Divide minus 39 pq square r to the power 5 by minus 24 p cube q cube r. Okay, so that means here you have to divide the first one with the second one. So first you have to write down the first one as the numerator, the second one as the denominator. Clear? So now minus minus cancel out, then p cancel out. Okay, and as here p cube, here only p, so p cancel out with the p cube, it becomes p square. Then here q square cancel out with q cube, it becomes q, and r cancel out with r to the power 5, it becomes r to the power 4. When there is a operation divide, then the power will be subtracted. Clear? As here first one p and p cube, so that means upper one is p to the power 1 and lower one p to the power 3. So 3 minus 1 it becomes 2. That's why p square. Clear? So now here 24 and 39. So if you cancel out with 3, so it becomes 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9 and it are 3 8. So here your final answer 13 by 8. Then here it's 1 by p square. Okay, upper one r to the power 4, lower one p square q. That is your final answer. Now move on to the next sum. Here the next one is minus 3 by 4 a square b cube, and it's divided by 6 by 7 a cube b square. Okay, so first write down the number in this way. Here 3 by 4 into 7 by 6. Then here a square b cube, here a cube b square. So 3 2s are 6. Here a square cancel out a cube, it becomes a only. B square cancel out b cube, it becomes b only. So that one equal to minus 7 by 8, and here b by a. That is your final answer. Now number 2 1. In number 2 1 you have 9x to the power 4 minus 8x cube minus 12x plus 3, and you have to divide this one by 3x. So that means here each and every term will be divided by 3x. So you have to write down 3x as the denominator of each and every term. Remember that. Okay. So the first one will be here 3 cancel out 9, it's 3, and x cancel out x to the power 4, it becomes x cube. So it will be 3x cube. Then minus. Here x cancel out x cube, that is x square. So minus 8 by 3 x square. Next one 3 cancel out with 12, it's 4. Then x cancel out. So it's only minus 4. And the last one here 3 cancel out. So it will be 1 by x. So that is your final answer. Next, number 2. In number 2, you have 14p square q cube, then minus 32p cube q square, then here 15p q square, then minus 22p plus 18q. And you have to divide this one by minus 2p square cube. So it will be here minus 2p square cube. Next one minus 2p square cube. Then again minus 2p square cube, minus 2p square cube. Last one also minus 2p square cube. Okay, now here very careful about your sign. So first one will be here negative, because upper one positive, lower one negative, so it will be negative. 2 cancel out 14 7, p square cancel out, q cancel out, it's become q square, so 7q square. Then here negative negative, it will be positive. 2 cancel out 32, it's 16. P square cancel out pq, it's p only. Q cancel out q square, it's q only. So here 16pq. Then plus minus again negative, it will be here 15 by 2. Then p cancel out p square. Now write down p in the lower section, and q cancel out, it will be q. So here q by p. Then minus minus become plus. So it will be here 22 cancel out with 2, it becomes 11. then p cancel out, p square becomes p. So upper one will be 11, lower one p into q, pq. And then here again minus, because here 18 in positive and 2 in negative. 2 cancel out with this one, it's 9. Q cancel out, so it becomes 9 and by p square. Okay, so that is your final answer. Now sum number 3 1. In sum number 3 1, you have 6x square plus 13x plus 5, and which one is divided by 2x plus 1. So now you have two terms. Okay, now you have two terms in the divisor. In the previous sum you have only one terms in the divisor, so you can easily divide each and every term by this one. But here as you have two terms in the divisor, so as 2x plus 1, so do one thing. First you write down 2x plus 1 as the divisor, and then 6x square plus 13x plus 5 as the dividend. Okay, now here the step 1. First step, you have to equal. Okay, you have to equal with the first term with the divisor. So suppose you have 2x, that means you have to multiply with something to get 6x square, because 6x square is the first term. So if you multiply 2x with 3x, then it becomes 6x square. Okay, and remember about your sign. Clear? As here positive 6x square, so 2x into 3x, it becomes 6x square, and you have to equal only the first term. No need to show the second one, the third one. Okay, so as here if you multiply this one with 3x, so 3x into 2x, it becomes 6x square. Then again 3x into 1, it becomes 3x. You have to equal only the first term, no need to see the second one, remember that. So now here minus, here will be minus, so 6x square cancel out. Now 13x minus 3x, it becomes 10x, and then that will be here plus 5. So 10x plus 5. Now your next target will be multiply something with 2x to get 10x. So if you multiply 5 with this one, then it will be 10x. So that means here positive 5 write down here. So it will be here 10x plus 5. So here your answer, that is 3x plus y. Sorry, 3x plus 5. It's very easy. Okay. Now the next one you have 1 plus y as the divisor and 1 plus y cube. So first thing, as here 1 is common. So first 1, so it will be here 1 plus y. So now here minus minus, so 1 cancel out. Then here minus y, and then here plus y cube. Okay, minus y plus y cube. Now first if you multiply 1 with minus y, then you will get minus y here, and next one will be here plus minus minus, so minus y square. Okay, so now it will be here plus, it will be again plus, so y cancel out, then y square plus y cube. Now if you multiply it with y square, then it will be here y square and then y cube, so it will cancel out, so your answer will be this one. Now the next one, sum number 3. Sum number 3, you have x plus 1 as the divisor, and here 5 plus x minus 2x square as the dividend. So first here you have 5 only. You can rearrange this one in this way, minus 2x square, then plus x, then plus 5. Okay, so now as you have x, and if you multiply x with minus 2x, then it will become minus 2x square. So write down here minus 2x, then it will be minus 2x square and then minus 2x. Now here minus minus plus, it will be again plus, so this will be cancel out, and this one equal to 3x plus 5. Okay, now if you multiply with plus 3, then you will get here 3x plus 3. So here it will be minus minus, cancel out 2. So that means here this will be your quotient and this will be your remainder. Okay, for the previous sum the remainder will be 0, but in that case here remainder equal to 2 and quotient equal to 3 minus 2x or minus 2x plus 3. Now the last one, that means number 4. In number 4, you have x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8, which one is divided by x minus 2. So write down x minus 2, then x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8. So as here x cube, if you multiply with x square, it becomes x cube, then minus 2x square. You have to just equal the first one only. So now this one will be minus 4x square plus 12x. Now as here x you have, if you multiply x with minus 4x, then it becomes minus 4x square. And second one will be minus minus plus, 4 to the 8x. So it will be plus minus. Cancel out, and here that will be 4x. So 4x minus 8. Okay, now if you multiply with plus 4, it becomes 4x minus 8. That means again remainder 0, and your answer here x square minus 4x plus 4. Next, sum number 4 1. In sum number 4 1, you have 3x minus 7 as the divisor and 6x cube plus x square minus 26x minus 25 as the dividend. So if you multiply 3x with 2x square, then it becomes 6x cube. Okay, so write down here 2x square, and it will be here 6x cube. Now next one minus 7, so it will be minus, then 7 into 2 14 x square. Okay, now minus, here plus, cancel out, so it will be here 15x square now, then minus 26x. So as here 15x square, that means if you multiply 3x with 5x, it becomes 15x square. So write down here 5x, then 15x square. Next one minus 7, 7 5s are 35x. So minus, here plus, cancel out. Now if you multiply, if you divide 26, not divide, if you subtract 26 from 35, then you will get here positive 9x, and the last one will be here minus 25. Okay, so as you have 3x, so that means here plus 3. So 3 into 3x, it becomes 9x, then minus 21. So minus, then plus, 9x cancel out, minus 25 minus 21, it's 4. So that is your remainder, and this one is your quotient. So quotient equal to 2x square plus 5x plus 3, remainder equal to minus 4. Now number 2. So number 2, you have m minus 1 as your divisor, and here m cube minus 6m square plus 7 as the dividend. So first one will be m square, then it will be m cube minus m square. Clear? So minus, and then here plus. So m cube cancel out, minus 5m square plus m. Now write down here minus 5m. If you multiply minus 5m with m, it will become minus 5m square, and it will be positive 5m. So here minus minus plus minus. So now write down here minus 5m plus 7. Clear? Now next one you have to, here minus 5m, so multiply with minus 5 as minus 5m, then plus 5. So it will be plus, then minus. So it will be here 2. Okay. So that means your answer quotient is m square minus 5m minus 5, and remainder is 2. Now next one, sum number 5. In sum number 5, you have divide a cube plus 2a square plus 2a plus 1, and here a square plus a plus 1 as the divisor. So write down here a cube plus 2a square plus 2a plus 1 as the dividend. So first one here a cube. So if you multiply a square with a, it becomes a cube. Then a into a, it becomes a square, and then here a. So now subtract it. So a cube cancel out. Here only a square, and then 2a minus a, it becomes a plus 1. Now here plus 1, so it will be a square plus a plus 1. So here remainder will be 0, and quotient will be a plus 1. Next, number 2. So as here in number 2, you have 3x square minus 2x plus 5 as the divisor, and here 12x cube minus 17x square plus 26x minus 18 as the dividend. So 3x square, and here 12x cube. So if you multiply this one with 4x, then it will be 12x cube. The next one here 4 into 2, it's 8x square, and after that here 20x. So now subtract plus minus. cancel out. Here it will be minus 9x square, then plus 6x minus 18. Now here next one minus 3. If you multiply with minus 3, it becomes 9x square negative. Then here plus 3 into 2 6x, and here minus 15. So it will be plus minus plus. Cancel out. It will be also cancel out, and here it will be minus 3. So minus 3 as remainder and this one as quotient. Okay, now let's move on to sum number 6. If the area of the rectangle, so here area equal to 8x square minus 45y square plus 18xy, and one of its side, that is 4x plus 15y. Suppose this one is the length, okay, because in rectangle there are only two sides, length and breadth, and you know the formula of area, that is length into breadth. So if you want to find out the next one, okay, that means the next side, that means the breadth, so just divide the area by the length. So here write down 4x plus 15y, and here the dividend as the area, that is 18xy. Clear? Now first is 4x, and you have 8x square. So if you multiply this one with 2x, it will be here 8x square. Then next one here, 15 into 2 is 30 and 30xy. Okay, 15 into 2xy, that is 30xy. So minus, here minus. So this one cancel out. Write down first 45y square, and as here 18xy and minus 30xy, so it will be minus 12xy. I hope it's clear. Now next one, as here you have 45y square and next one you have 12xy. So as you have 4x here and here you have minus 12xy. So do one thing, first multiply 4x with minus 3y, and then you will get minus 12xy. So write down here minus 3y, and that one will be minus 12xy. Okay, and then minus 3y with 15, it will be minus 45y square. So it's cancel out. That means here the another side is 2x minus 3y. That is your answer. Now sum number 7. This is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here in sum number 7, what should be subtracted from the polynomial, that is x to the power 4 2x cube plus x square minus 18x minus 15, so that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by x square minus 1 minus x. So in that case, if you divide this one, then you will get a remainder, and that remainder will be your answer. Okay, that remainder will be your answer. So do one thing, first divide this one. So write down in this way. You can rearrange the divisor also. So first write down minus x and then write down minus 1. No problem. You can rearrange the dividend also. So as here x square into x square, it will be x to the power 4, then minus x cube, and then here minus x square. So minus plus, and it will be again plus. Cancel out. Then here 3x cube, here 2x square, and next one minus 18x. Now if you multiply with 3x, then it becomes 3x cube. Next one minus 3x square, and then here minus 3x. So minus plus plus, cancel out. This one here 5x square, and then 15x, last one will be again 15. Now as here if you multiply this one 5, so it will be 5x square minus 5x minus 5. So minus plus plus, cancel out. This one minus 10x and here minus 10. So minus 10x and minus 10 is your remainder, and that will be your answer. Okay, so if you subtract this one from the dividend, then the whole number will be exactly divisible by this one, x square minus 1 minus x.